Hello students, today I am going to solve question number 5 of DK Goyal bank reconciliation statement. The question is, on comparing the cash book with passbook of Naman is found on 30th March 2017 bank balance as per cash book is rupees 40,960. Here are few differences with passbook. So first we will put balance as per cash book. It goes to debit side or plus side. First difference is bank charge rupees 100 on 30th March 2017 not entered in cash book. Bank charge rupees 100 as bank charge. So bank deduct it from the passbook. So we will also deduct it. So it goes to minus side. Less bank charge not recorded in cash book rupees 100. Second, on March 21st, 2017, a debtor paid rupees 2,000 into company's bank statement of his account, but no entry in cash book. A debtor directly deposit into bank. So our bank balances increase. So we will also increase it in cash book. So it goes to plus side. Amount directly paid by debtor rupees 2,000. Next transaction, checks totaling 12,980 issued by company and duly recorded in cash book on 30th March 2017 but had not been present at bank for the payment. Company issued checks of rupees 12,980. So it is deducted from cash book, but the checks were not present in bank. So the balance of bank is higher than the cash bank. So we will add it to cash because in the bank the balance is higher. So it goes to plus side. Next, a bill of rupees 6,900 discounted with bank entered in cash book without recording discount charge rupees 800. Whenever we discount any bill, the amount increase in the passbook and also in the cash book, but in cash book we haven't recorded the amount of discount. So the amount of discount rupees 800 will be recorded in cash book. So it goes to minus of cash because the balance in bank is rupees 800 less than the cash book. Next, rupees 3520 entered in cash book as paid into bank on 31st March but not credited by bank till the date. We have deposited check of rupees 3520 in cash book. So in cash book we increase it, but in bank it is not recorded. So balance of bank is lesser than the cash book. So in cash book we will decrease or goes it to minus. Next, no entry has been made in cash book to record the dishonor of 15th March 2017, a check of rupees 650. Whenever any check dishonored, the balance of bank is reduced by the same. So if in the bank rupees 650 is reduced, so we also need to minus it in cash book. So these are the transactions. At the end, we will make total. So here total of debit side or plus side is higher. So first we make total of debit side. From the total of debit side, we minus the total of credit side, and the difference 50,870 is credit balance as per passbook because the plus side is higher, so it goes to minus side. Thank you, students.